So tractor therapy today, we're doing the test plot harvest. We use a Triolate mixer with the scales on it, pulled with the fast track this time. We have to go about a mile to dump the load, but we're doing about a 400 feet. We're doing 400 feet test plot, 6 rows. It's perfect because it was a 6-row planter, 6-row corn head on this chopper, and we did one already. Now we're gonna do the second, and we have a few more to go. Got some P7227. Let's speed up a little bit. Yep. A little closer. Chopping with the 830 CLAAS. Farmer owns the chopper. A little dirty window there. Kind of tough to see. Doing pretty good. We don't have a CB to communicate, so we have to go after gestures and speed up a little bit. That's probably good. Actually, you're probably doing just fine. Got our operator here, Ben Nito.
How's it going?
Father Abraham Bennett.
Oh yeah.
Got the RE450 CLAAS header. I believe he's running a shear processor in it. And we are, if you can see that, it's running hard, but we're currently at the approaching 400 feet. We are at, let it sit for a second. 38.95. And now for 7527 AMXT. Start going. Beautiful day in Linden, Washington. Going to dump another load. Woo-hoo! We obey all legal signs. And that's why, because there's a school bus. If we didn't stop, we would have hit the school bus. That's why farm exempt only gets you so far. And we're unloading here. Getting down to the last ones. Nice uniform unload. Rear pre-mix door on the Triolate. And the tractor's pushing it. It has 3 speeds on this, so it can unload quicker. Just a little bit, just a little bit. That's good.
A few moments later.
The last test plot. She gone. Well, thank you for coming along with me with tractor therapy today, test plot, harvest edition. Hope you learned something or enjoyed watching it. But we are finally done with the 13 variety test plot. I'll post the results at a later date. Thanks a lot for watching.